Hey everyone, and welcome to your 10-minute Total Body Strong. We'll work on building strength from the inside out while we also remain calm and easy and focused. All right, let's start sitting here. Give yourself a moment to simply slow down a bit. So even though we're building a lot of strength, we don't have to be manic about it or act in a rush or use any extra effort, and we don't actually need to complete the movements here. So, practicing building all that strength while still remaining calm. Take a big inhale, long exhale. Right, staying easy here, we'll crawl up, finding a nice, comfortable plank pose. And take your time to roll from your hips and belly so you find that perfect place for your hands and your feet here. We'll simply breathe here for just a few moments. So even though we're staying in one simple position, try not to get stuck or tense or rigid or clench anything that you don't need to hold on to. Let yourself settle a bit. Roll a little side to side. Inhales filling you up. And exhales, dropping any of that effort you don't actually need to. Breathe here right now. Rock a little side to side. We'll roll toward your right side. Nice side plank. Open everything up. And all the way back here through your middle. Same thing, other side. Lift up a bit. Roll left. Big, easy stretch. One more time each side here. Back through your middle. Lift up a bit. Roll right. Big, easy stretch. Any version you like. All the way back through your middle. Lift up a bit. Roll left. Big, easy stretch. And all the way back here through your middle. Come on down toward your belly. And we'll come all the way back up 2 more times here, rolling on down. And everything back up one more time here, easing down. And this time right up and back toward that down dog. Shift your hips a little left and right as you go. Settling in. Lean left big, and I'll pull your right leg way up and back here. Roll everything open. Arc your knee way high and around toward your right shoulder, leaning forward. Bring that leg way up and back. Same thing, twisting here. Draw your leg across your body. And all the way back. This time we'll roll around your hips. Arc your knee high and around toward your right shoulder. Sweep it across left. Roll it open right. And all the way back. Same thing, twisting here all the way across left. Roll it open. All the way back. One more round here. Way high and around toward that right side. All the way across. Roll it open and back. Last one, twisting here all the way across. Roll it open and back. Low lunge, lean left as you slide this foot right on through between your hands. Push down to lift everything high. And settle right here. Lift everything high. Take a twist toward this right leg here. Hook your left elbow right outside your thigh. Bring your palms together. Arms can come down if balance is more steady that way. Just breathe. Open up your arms here. Left hand finds the ground. Right arm floats up. Bring both hands down. Lift your hips up. Drop your torso over your legs. Warrior 3 here. Soften through your knees. Lean back a bit to crawl on forward. Back leg floats up. Little rock side to side in your hands. Soften through your knees. Lean left. Big inhale. Pull your right side up for a twist. And back through your middle here. Lean right. Roll everything open. Half moon. One more time each side here. Soften through your middle. Lean left. Big inhale pulls you open. Back through your middle. Lean right. Roll everything open. All the way back here through your middle. Soften through your knees. Round up through standing. Give your shin a nice squeeze. And dive it all the way back. Warrior 3. Low lunge. Soften through your knees. Reach that top leg way back. Push down to lift everything up. And easy all the way back down. Lean left. Slide this front foot all the way back. Down dog. Shift a little side to side in your hips. Lean right big, and I'll pull your left leg up and open. Arc this knee way high and around toward your right shoulder, leaning forward. Bring this leg way up and back. Same thing, twisting here. Draw your knee across your body. Bring the leg up and back. Rolling around your hips here, arc your knee high and around toward that left side. All the way across. Open and back. Same thing, twisting down and across. Roll it open and back. One more time here, high and around to the left. Roll it across. Open and back. Last one, twisting here all the way across. Roll it open and back. Low lunge, lean right as you slide this foot on through. Push down to lift everything high. And take a twist here. Hook this elbow right outside your knee. Just breathe. Open up your arms. Right hand finds the ground. Left arm floats open. And bringing both hands down, lift your hips up. Drop your torso over your legs. Easy sway. Warrior 3, soften through your knees, lean back a bit. Crawl yourself forward, back leg floats up. Little rock side to side. Soften through your knees, lean right, big, and I'll pull this left side up. Back through your middle here, lean left. Roll everything open. One more time each side here, soften through your middle, lean right, big, and how pulls you up. Back through your middle here, lean left, roll everything half more. Back through your middle here, soften through your knees, round up through standing, hug the shin in for a squeeze. And dive it all the way back, warrior 3. Soften through your knees, slide this foot way back, low lunge. Push down to lift up, high lunge. And easy, right back down, lean right. Slide this foot all the way back, down dog. Settling in. Crawl back toward that plank pose, nice wave. Little rock side to side. Easy forward and back. Side plank on that right side, lift up, roll right, easy stretch, any version you like. Maybe reaching the top toes back. If you like to play with hugging your shin or stretching a leg. And all the way back through your middle. Same thing other side, lift up, roll left, stretch open. Any version that feels expansive for you, just breathe. All the way back here through your middle. Again, come on down toward your belly. And press back up 2 more times here. Ease on down. And right back up 1 more time here. Ease on down. And this time right up and back. Down dog. Little shift your hips. Take an easy crawl up toward the top of your space there. Little left and right as you go. Drop up and over legs. Chair pose here. Sink your hips. Stretch on open. And settle right here. Few breaths, nice and steady, lifting you up. And settle right back. Minimal effort here, no extra clenching, lifting up. And easy, sink down. One more time, this time push down, lift everything high. And easy, all the way up and over your legs. Crawl your hands out a bit, sink down for a gentle squat. Little rock side to side. Crawl your hands back a little bit. Keep your hips moving, nice and steady. Bring your whole self forward. Bring your knees around your arms. Lean forward. And easy. Sink back. Crawl back and relax. One more time, just like that here. Bring everything forward. Inhale. Roll around a bit here. And easy. Soften back and relax. Come all the way down here. Stretch your legs out toward the sides. Take a moment here to let yourself fall on down inside your legs. Any direction that feels useful for you. Maybe a little side to side or forward. Just breathe. Take your time to find an easy, comfortable place here. Let yourself slow down a bit. Enjoy any nice sensation of your body working for you here. And letting any bit of tension go that you don't actually need. And simply notice how you feel. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. One more time, big inhale. Long exhale. And once more, just for fun, big inhale. Long exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Stay easy and soft, especially when you're building strength, and I'll see you soon.